everybody, Brian here from Touring Plans. I am at Disney's Beach Club Resort and I am going to show you my room. I am here for the night in room 2512. This is not exactly the room I requested using the Touring Plans room finder. It is the room above the room I requested. I requested this exact room, but one floor down. And I am a good half a mile away from the lobby. That may not even be a joke, but there's a reason for that, which I will show you in just a minute. First, walking in the door here, we see the coffee maker, some glassware, actual glasses, because this is a deluxe resort, of course. This very adorable Mickey and Minnie print right there. And in here is the refrigerator, and that one's just a drawer. Got the closet right here, which has no robes, nothing like the Grand Floridian, but has some pillows. The safe, it is a wall safe, which is exactly that deep. So you could probably fit most reasonable size laptops in there. Definitely a tablet, not much more though. On the other side here is the bathroom. Nice big mirror, double sink with storage area underneath it. I really like when they put these storage areas underneath of the bathroom sinks, or just storage areas in general in the bathroom when you have a family. That is very, very helpful. And here, of course, is the separate room with the toilet and the shower. I really like the tile work around the shower here. And we have non-attached shampoo and conditioner. Like a lot of the deluxes now, there is no door separating here. Nothing, it is just a big open archway. So if you're in the toilet shower area, there is a door. If you're just brushing your teeth or something, you gotta just turn the lights on. There's nothing to separate. I don't know why they do that with deluxes when moderates and values have at least a curtain. Little bench right there, or as I call it, place to put your suitcase. Spinning around, we have the beds, which are two queen-sized beds right here. Very nice bedding on here, I will say. I like it quite a bit. It feels very smooth and satiny. I like that. There's a little tower in the middle with the phone. Behind it is my favorite, the dual plugs with the dual USB chargers. Lots of places to plug in this room, including over here under the TV. There are two of those right there, as well as three large drawers, two smaller drawers, and these pretty big things right there. I'm not sure exactly what you would use that for when you were on vacation, but you could stack a bunch of clothes in there if you needed to. Artwork in here is, of course, all beach themed. The only Disney related thing is that Minnie and Mickey print that I showed you before. Also, no ceiling fan in here, just this light, which is a very nice light, but even like Port Orleans French Quarter, the new rooms have a ceiling fan. I feel like deluxes should probably come with that too. This couch here folds into a day bed. Now there's already not a lot of room here. There's a slightly less room when that folds into a day bed, but if you have to, if you have three children, one's got to sleep on the day bed, that's what that's for. The unfortunate side there is that it is not a super comfy couch because it has the mattress in it, which is a little firmer than couch cushions normally are. Tiny little table there for, I don't know, something. And then on this side, we have yet another mirror, quite a few mirrors in all of these rooms, with this desk that has another outlet right there for you. So that makes four of those in this room, which is very nice. And this little pull-out desk if you happen to be working or just want an extra space. Another reason I chose this room, not because of the balcony, it's kind of a junky balcony if I'm being honest. It has a door instead of sliding doors, and then this is it. I mean, it's just this little tiny pad to stand on. I mean, look, I'm standing on the balcony, I guess. This is as far as I can go. These only have these little balconies. You can't even fit a chair on them. But the reason I requested a room on this side is because right out there, this right here, that's the path to Epcot. And this is the woods right next to it. I am mere steps from Epcot. Probably like 100 steps, but steps. But this is as close as I could get to Epcot at Beach Club. And right down there is a pathway. There is an exit stairwell right next to this room that I can run down, get out that door, and get to Epcot in probably 5 minutes. I could be from my room to Epcot from here. That is why I requested this specific room. Whether I will be able to get back in that way and up the stairwell, I don't know. I really hope so, but that will be for later tonight, I guess. But that is my room here at Beach Club. Beach Club is one of my favorite resorts. I love the pool complex here. There's the flooring in here. The flooring in here has not been updated to the vinyl, so if you prefer the carpet, they still have the carpet here, although who knows for how much longer. The sister resort Yacht Club does not have the carpet anymore, so probably won't stick around. But thank you very much for watching, and be excellent to each other.